Okay, we're going to take this door out. We're going to put a window up here because this is going to be a toilet area. We're going to make a toilet. And this was never here, this extension, but we've got some plasterboard here. What somebody's done, they've just put some plasterboard against the walls, which is not a bad idea. So we're going to take all the framework out now and then check out the electrics. So we've done the wall, the windows in. We're just waiting for the foams to dry, and we're just putting some new skirtings in. But we decided to take all these. There's all a cream one all the way along here, a very small one. So we bought some extra tiles, and we're going to put new skirting to match right the way through if we can. That's a new tile. That's an old tile. So we're just going to retile all the front part now. So installing these patio doors, trying to get this wall level now. I mean, I have a straight edge up here, and you can physically see the gap. I mean, we're at the bottom, we're touching at the top. How I'm supposed to get that straight is, yeah. So in these instances, we can only make do what we can do.